BFF is back. Alexandra Baker.
How are you?
We've got a couple of items in this home clearance show. And where have these been? I haven't seen these.
Are these not the coolest, sweetest things?
They're super cute.
You know, this is from Bungalow. These are these incredible laundry room mats. And I think they're fantastic because as your home BFF, I'm here to remind you that I would love for you to remember the garage, remember the laundry room, remember that area where you're doing your laundry. You too can have that Pinterest-worthy, Google-like laundry room.
Very cute.
It is just a mat, but they're decorative, they're whimsical, they're vintage inspired.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's
we have
a nice
5
quality
for you to select from, and then I'm going to talk to you about how cushiony they are and how easy they are to take care of.
Hey, Rick, I think you said only like 1,000 in each individual choice. Okay, 1,000 in each individual choice. So
every time we share these, they are gone. So while we have them, the first one, which is like a chalkboard inspired, is the wet wash laundry. So do it for less, 50 cents a load. I mean, look at that. It looks like it was chalkboard with the iron.
Actually,
And this is Mom's Laundry. Oh. And on Mom's Laundry, I think it says something really cute here. It says, don't really press your luck.
Oh, now that is cute.
Isn't that cute?
That's
so
cute.
you would put this right in front of the washing machine, okay? And it's large enough. It's 25 by 60, so 60 inches, you know, it's 5 feet long. It will fit in front of both washer and dryer.
Gotcha.
Okay?
All right.
Then let's see, over here, where are we? Which direction?
They've got me.
Okay. Wash, rinse, repeat, which is the black background.
Okay.
Again, it looks like someone wrote on that with chalk.
Yeah.
In the middle, this bright, cheery lemon yellow is dirty laundry here, in case you didn't know where to put it. And most American moms will know. Most people in the house don't know where to put the laundry.
That's true.
Okay. Now this one's really cute. Look how vibrant this is, Shannon. This is Laundry Line, and I have shared this product several times, and one time I was airing it with Shannon Fox, and Shannon said, Alexandra, it says the word laundry made out of the clothes hanging on the laundry line.
Well, leave
and
it to
I
Shannon.
didn't even recognize that, so leave it to Shannon.
Oh, how
you
funny.
can see the word laundry spelled out. This is pretty enough. I mean, you could hang this on the wall.
Sure, you could actually.
If you wanted to, but what's wonderful about this is that when you're stepping on it, here, I'm just gonna step. When you step on it, it feels good under your feet. It's superior cushion under your foot. It has this incredible non-skid backing. So what's nice, it's going to stay put. And what's great, it's got a nice low profile. So if by chance it is near a door, you want to put it outside of a door, or for whatever reason you need it to get just underneath the washer and dryer, just the little lip of it, it's going to, you know, 1/8 of an inch, have that nice low profile. But this is really going to liven up that space.
It really does. And one of the things that I like, now of course, my dirty laundry, it's in a hamper before I do the laundry, but when I'm kind of prepping the whole scene, you know, I throw it on the floor in front of the washer and dryer, and sometimes the damp clothes, the damp clouds, before you get to them, you have to have like a little mat or a little cushion, otherwise it's directly on the floor.
There you go.
And this is a nice way to cushion that surface, to protect your flooring, to cushion your feet if you do have lots of laundry that you are folding. And you know what, it jazzes up the place too.
It does. It's decorative and functional, which you know I feel is so paramount, but I just love that cushion. I love the pop of color. There is no need for any room in your home to be so dreary.
No.
And so this is going to liven it up. And here in Florida, or at least I know in the South, we typically have our laundry room in the garage.
I was just gonna say,
even in a larger home, it's in the garage. So this is really going to, you know, put some pep in that space. But they are made of a high-grade poly. They're very, very durable. They're skid resistance. We talked about that superior comfort under your foot. And yes, of course, it's low profile and wide enough at 60 inches that this is going to work well in front of the washer and dryer if they're side by side.
Yeah, I mean, that's a great idea. And, you know, so often, because our home BFF knows about, you know, jazzing up that place, but
I try.
That's right.
I really do.
But, you know, the laundry room is tough. You don't see a lot of ways, and typically there isn't a lot of room. And like you said, Alexandra, your laundry room might not even necessarily be a room. It might be a garage.
It might be
part of a room. I mean, a lot of us don't even have a whole room that's necessarily committed to being that laundry area. Coming up from up north, as we say, or Minnesota, Minnesota specifically.
Well, there you're probably in the basement.
We're in the basement.
And you've got that cold slab of floor.
That's exactly right.
I remember I was born in Chicago. I remember Mom going downstairs to do the laundry in the basement. It was always so cold.
It was.
This is before the idea entered anybody's mind to fully finish the basement, okay?
True.
And so this would be lovely to have in front. You tend to be standing there for a long period of time, so you might as well have the support and the cushion. But what's really nice is the decorative quality, also the cushion, the non-skid. But if you're pulling things out of the dryer, and we always try to be a little ambitious and grab the whole load, inevitably we have clean items that we're wanting to fold that fall on the ground. So now you're going to have a nice little cushion padding right underneath there to catch that. And then if for whatever reason this gets very dirty, it is machine washable, but I want you to air dry it. There's no need for it to go in the dryer, just air dry it, line dry it.
Well, that's one of the things that I like. It's got, it's got some cushion to it, but you can tell it would also release the moisture.
It does release the moisture.
So again, if there's a wet towel or a wet load of laundry before you quite get to it, it can easily serve its purpose.
Great point.
You know?
So I don't know which one you're going to choose. You're going to choose the wet wash, which has that chalkboard look to it. And then we have the Mom's Laundry.
That is cute.
Which is right here. That's a little bit more
kind
coastal.
Of retro,
Yeah, a little retro. Looks like somebody just kind of easily painted that board. We've got the laundry line where the word laundry is spelled out.
Very cute.
You're seeing right now wash, rinse, repeat, which also has the chalkboard inspired look. And it is most popular. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so pretty.
Nice.
Literally, you could hang this on a wall. If you do have a large laundry room, these are awesome to hang on the wall. And then dirty laundry here, and then laundry line.
Nice.
You know, nothing, nowadays, not everything has to be used exactly for its purpose. If you see that because of the flat profile and because of the, the perfect size, that you would like to mount this to the wall, then mount it to the wall.
Why not?
There are no rules when it comes to these things.
Really true.
If you see something that gets you excited, choose it while we have them because they're very, very popular.
You should. You know what? I really need to get this for my sister-in-law because she's so inspirational. She does a lot of scrapbooking and she does a lot of that scroll work or motivational sayings. She paints them.
There you go.
But she doesn't have anything on the floors. It's a concrete floor in the basement.
There you go.
And she's always doing laundry with 2 kids. Why not make yourself smile when you're doing something that you have to do, right?
Exactly.
And this
Live
does.
And don't forget to decorate.
Hey, Alexandra has one more item with me.